Hello everyone, and welcome back to Movement and Improv. I'm your teacher, Professor Garcia, and today what we are going to be going over is sea creatures, and how we incorporate the work of sea creatures and inspiration from sea creatures into our acting technique to open up different, new, and exciting characters. So, here's what we're going to do. The first thing that you have to do is go and find a space in your house or a space where no one is going to disturb you. Because it's going to get weird. It's already going to be weird by yourself, and now imagine how weird it's going to be when somebody you know comes in and they see you doing this. Okay, the second thing you need to do is to go out and get some kind of headphones with music attached to it, music that gets you inspired and makes you feel like you are underwater or get your imagination going. Perfect. Then you're going to go and start off somewhere in that room, laying down. I want you to close your eyes, I want you to press play, and I want you to visualize yourself being underwater. Feel the water hitting your skin. Feel the water, the depth, the pressure. And then I want you to open your eyes and begin moving through the space. I'm going to give you a couple different creatures, but then later you can pick whichever creature that you want. Now, if you start off and you're a manta ray, and maybe you're moving around and you're paying attention with your eyes, but you're also moving your fins and your legs or something becomes your tail, and you're moving throughout the space. Great. So I want you to move throughout the space, and I want you to hunt for food. Then I want you to care for your young. I want you to fall in love. I want you to run from predators. I want you to go through as many emotions and as many experiences as you can. If you're injured, how do you move? How do you escape? Perfect. Now, go through as many different kinds of those things as you can, and once you feel ready, bring it up on 2 feet, and if you're already on 2 feet, then what I want you to do is start to tone down those choices. So if you're a manta ray and you're moving, then bring it down and become a half human, half manta ray hybrid. I want you to take whatever you were doing and humanize it. So move throughout the space and then give it human sounds, right? So if I'm moving around like this, how do I want to talk? What sounds want to come out of my body? And you're going to add those in. Start thinking about what kind of job this type of person would have, and continue moving throughout the space. And then bring it down, tone your choices down even more, and make it completely human with the spirit of the sea creature. And maybe it's manifested just a little bit in a sway of how you move. But that's still going to influence the character that comes out, the way you see the world, because you've already lived a life as that character. And when you're ready, I want you to stand, face a screen, face a wall, and speak your speech as that character. Then what you're going to do is upload your progression of animal. I just want to see a little bit of you as the sea creature, then as the human sea creature hybrid, and finally the character with the soul of the sea creature. And you're going to upload that so that I can see it. And finally, what you're going to do is read your play, look at your character, and think about what kind of sea creature this character would be, and go and research that sea creature. Find a bunch of different pictures, put yourself in those body positions, and repeat the exercise as that sea creature. And you're going to upload that as well. All right, everyone, have fun with this. Remember that you have to commit if you're going to be good. And I look forward to seeing what you bring.